Hi, third graders. In today's reading mini lesson, we looked at the book The Can Man and discussed Tim. And we figured out that what you know about a character can help you predict what the character might do next. And so as a class, you came up with some ways or things that Tim does or how he is. And then because of those things, so he's friendly or he likes to skateboard. We know that he doesn't have a lot of money because his family can't afford a skateboard for him. But we also know that he's willing to work for what he wants. And because we know these things about him, we can make predictions about what he might do. So during your independent reading time today, I want you to think about a character in your book and what is that character like, and make some predictions based off of what that character is like to tell what you think that character might do next. Use a sticky note or take some notes and write them down and then be ready to share about them when you come back together as a class.